everyone, my name is Eva and welcome to my channel. I'm back to myself, no? I'm back to my channel and for today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung naging experience ko about the weather dito. Start nung dumating ako last June 2022. So, yeah. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, I'm Eva and I'm here now in Perth, Western Australia, living with my husband. And I'm just lucky kasi medyo sobrang lucky and blessed and grateful kasi I moved in here na sobrang gandang country. So, I never dream like, makakatira or I'm gonna live here. Hopefully, mag-guarantee yung permanent ko. But yeah, love moves in mysterious ways, It's all about God and yeah. So, share ko lang bakit gusto kong maggawa ng video is about having like 4 season of weather, like June, July, August, it's winter already here. And nung dumating ako, winter na siya. So, pagbaba ko pa lang, paglapag ko pa lang ng eroplano, naramdaman ko na yung lamig dito. Sobrang iba yung experience, sobrang lamig. Kasi that time, hindi naman ako I didn't wear take 1 because I remember living Philippines, it's too hot for us. It's it's summer that time, I think. So when I got here, arrived here, so I feel so different because of the weather, and I thought I can make it. I mean, na masarap kasi malamig first time. Alam mo yun, na feeling ko kaya ko. Pero, nung nagtagal, sobrang lamig, di ko pala kaya. So, yun yung winter dito is June, July, August. So, 3 months siya. Sobrang grabe. Grabe talaga. As in, umuulan ng hail. And, yeah, masarap tumira dito kasi tahimik. See? Yung hangin niya, sobrang ganda. So, ang next is September, October, November is spring. So, naglalaylo na yung pagiging winter but still malamig pa rin that time. And so, yun na yung spring niya. And the next is December, January, February. Yan na yung summer. So, yung summer naman, maganda lang kasi kapag malamig, hindi kami nakakapunta ng beaches kasi nga sobrang lamig ng tubig. Even nga kahit summer, malamig pa rin yung tubig. So, maganda lang yung tumungtong ng December. That's the time na nakakapag-swimming na kami ni husband. We travel going to more beaches here. Maganda lang dito kasi napapaligiran kami ng maraming magagandang beach and aside from that, pumunta rin kami para mag-swimming. So, yun yung summer. And the last time we go is on Esperance. Sobrang ganda. Kaya lang, bad timing nang pumunta kami doon. And we planned like we gonna stay there for about 5 days, but suddenly the weather is not good. So we stay there for 2 days and travel going back. And then after, when we are, my husband driving and I'm going back here, oh my God, there's a lot of lightning. So I have a trauma for that. I don't know why, but I think I have experience when I'm still in the Philippines. And I remember my auntie's house got tinamaan ng lightning. So nag-produce siya ng fire. So, lahat kami talagang takot kasi sobrang lakas ng lightning that time. So, one of the experience also, bakit takot ako sa kidlat. And then, after, the second one is, well, I'm walking in I think it's that is Santo Tomas in magpapa-check up ako that time, and then after the lightning is like blue, grabe, sobrang takot ko that times. Kaya yun, the time na we're going back here, sobrang takot ako, but my husband still focusing on his job, driving, going back here. So yeah, he did a good job. We're here, still alive. Thank you, Lord, for that. And yes, the next is March, April, May. It's autumn. Oh my God! So, tapos na tayo ng March. So, April na ngayon. First day of April. So, ito yung magandang weather. Kasi, kahit na mainit, yung wind niya, medyo malamig. So, mararamdaman mo talaga na pa-winter na siya. Ang saya lang kasi, yan, may gagawin ako, may assignment ako. My assignment is going to put on another pot because I get a rubber plant from work. So, we decided to put it on a big pot. So, yan. Kailangan ko siyang isahin. Diba? So, yun yung the best na experience ko dito sa Australia. And I'm so blessed also that opportunity doon. But here, meron din, pero dito is more on family. More on, you know, I don't know how to explain, but it's nice and calm and fresh. The air, everything. So, hindi siya ganun kadami, hindi siya